How to work with unrepresented seller. Number 1, you have to identify who's paying for the commission, the seller or the buyer. You have to have all the paperwork signed for the seller, disclosure of trading agency, and choose unrepresented, disclosure of risk to unrepresented party, privacy consent, FinTrack, fee agreement. If the seller pay for the commission, use seller pay, seller not represented. And if the buyers pay for the commission, use exclusive buyer's agreement. These forms can be found on the web form. All disclosures must be signed and made before presenting an offer to the seller, and always suggest them to find a realtor or lawyer to help them. If they refuse to do it, then continue, and do not give them any advice regarding the offer. You can provide them with CMA, and do not listen to their private information, for example, why they must sell the house or what's the lowest price they have to sell, because that could trigger conflict of interest. Explain your offer in detail and suggest them to have a lawyer or realtor to look it over for them.